Some days begin not with a burst of energy, but with a quiet, gentle hum, a silent agreement with yourself to simply be present. The warmth of a familiar mug in your hands, the steam rising like a whispered promise to take things one moment at a time. On these days, the goal isn't to conquer the world. Some days are simply about staying steady. It's easy to feel the pressure to perform, to achieve, to be more than you were yesterday. But there are days when inner battles feel many, when the quiet space of the morning is filled with the noise of internal struggle. The first visitor is often doubt. It questions your decisions, your path, your worth. It whispers that you are not prepared, not good enough, not ready for what lies ahead. It can paralyze you before you've even written the first word of your day. Then comes its heavy companion, fatigue, a weariness that isn't just in your body, but deep in your spirit. It makes every small task feel like a monumental effort, draping a heavy blanket over your motivation and your light. And lurking in the shadows of the unknown is fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of what might be waiting behind the next door. It's a cold, constricting feeling that urges you to retreat, to stay small, to remain where it's safe. And sometimes there is just a quiet, lingering sadness, a gentle melancholy that colors the world in shades of blue, like rain against a window pane, asking for nothing more than to be acknowledged, to be felt without judgment. On days like these, winning everything is unrealistic. The expectation to overcome all of these feelings at once is a burden you do not need to carry. Acknowledge them, see them, and then, gently, let the need to fight them go. Instead, find your anchor, the simple act of breathing, the taste of your coffee, the feeling of the ground beneath you. This is not surrender. It is a profound act of self-preservation. Steadiness is enough. It is a quiet victory in itself. So let the rain fall, let the sun break through when it's ready. You don't have to chase the light today. Just hold your ground, breathe, and stay gentle with today.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.